Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to my update video with stock options with Cole. And today's video we're going to be talking about an update on gold from the past couple of weeks. And in the previous videos I have made a video on gold getting ready to break out, or it's going to be an upcoming ripper upside out of this cup and handle pattern. And so far things are looking really good as of now, and what situations that we are in right now is making me even more bullish on gold. So we're gonna start off with talking about um why we're on gold right now. So number one, the pattern breakout, or the pattern setup. Currently we have different patterns. So we have a smaller time frame pattern, which is the bullish channel and upside, and we have the bigger time frame, which is the longer term play, which is going to be the cup and handle. And so far we are breaking out, confirmed on the weekly chart, outside of the handle of the cup and handle. So that's a very bullish sign of a massive breakout upcoming. But we have one more thing to do for gold in order to confirm on the monthly chart. Then we will start breaking out much higher towards 190 soon. So number two, we have a lot of problems going on in the economy that's making me bullish on gold as well. So we have Bitcoin crashing, we have been printing money nonstop, hurting the US dollar, dropping lows, we have the Treasury, we have the federal, we have the Biden, we have a lot of things going on that's hurting the US dollar, that's hurting the value of money. And right now people are moving their money from Bitcoin to gold, or people are starting to realize what's going on in the economy and why people are going into gold. And the breakout of the pattern is a perfect answer to why someone should get into gold right now. So gold, let's get straight into it. Patterns. So here's my daily chart, okay? So I talked about this last week, and I've been talking about it the past probably like 2-3 weeks ago. And before it even broke out higher, my team and I were in gold around 170 or 168-ish area. I don't remember, but we were in pretty early. And last week of May 17th on Monday, gold gapped up, okay? So it went from 173 all the way to 175-ish area, and it was a really good day for us. And it started going higher and higher, and it hit that major resistance that we have at 176.86, which is where the gap fill resistance sits. So I'm gonna go back over here to where the 176.86 resistance sits at, back here on the daily chart. So we have a gap fill resistance right here. So we have a gap between these areas right here and right here. That is why gold has been rejected the past few weeks. But that's just the shorter term picture right here. So whenever we break above 176.86, we are going to add more gold upside, and then we're going to start filling all the way up to 179. And then the weekly resistance number 2 at 183.51, and we'll start going higher towards 190. But right now, this is our strategy right here. So we have been gold below that 172.55, pretty much right there, and we sold our GDX as well. So we had GDX calls, and we also had gold calls. So we banked off both of them while it was just gapping up nonstop and touched the major resistance levels. And now we have pretty much took half of our positions on gold. We're still in the green. We're still waiting for the break of 176.86. And whenever it does that, we're going to add more. And then we'll start pushing higher on 179. Now, gold has been pretty much sitting outside of the bullish channel as support, and basically back testing for the past few days. So the more it does that, the bigger the breakout will be upside. So that's a good sign for gold in the shorter term right here. And whenever it goes up, it will make the longer term time frames look better as well. So now we're going to go to the weekly chart right here, okay? Actually, let's go to the monthly chart and we'll talk about the pattern real quick. So I'm gonna clear my drawings. I'll just name a video for you guys real quick, so I can show you guys an example. Okay, so right here, gold has a massive U right here, right? So it's a cup pretty much right here. So I'm gonna take a screenshot and do drawing for you guys. Screenshot. Okay, we're going to click on the picture right here. Now, we have a pattern right here forming. So we're going to draw, let's just go with the white. So we have a cup right here. Massive multi-year-long cup and handle pattern right here. So it looks like gold can have a massive multi-month-long or multi-year-long run all the way to 200s or even higher. Who knows? But the bigger the pattern on a bigger time frame, the bigger the breakout or breakdown can be. So this is a really big monster brewing setup right here for gold. And with Biden in the next 4 years as president, it can be possible. We never know, but it's possible because of all the stuff that we have been doing with Biden and the Treasury, Feds, and Bitcoin, all that. So let's jump back into the chart real quick. So we have the cup right here, okay? So the cup right here, and then we have a little bit of a flag right here, but we're going to use this as a handle because this is pretty much be considered as a pattern. So cup and handle right here, cup and handle, and now we're starting to break out of this resistance of this handle right here on the time frame. This picture's not going to describe exactly what it is, but on the actual charts, we're showing signs of a breakout. And yesterday, Friday, on May 21st, we have confirmed the breakout out of the handle right here. So we have the breakout right here, right? You guys see the candle right here? We're breaking out pretty much. So we confirmed it on the weekly chart, but now that we have to wait, we're on step one. Step one's a good step right there. And for the second step, we have to confirm it on the monthly time frame. So we have about 9 days of May left, and we're gonna have to see if the rest of this candle right here for the monthly chart can close above the resistance of the handle. And once it does that, we are going to get a green light for the long-term gold rip up. So, see right here? So this is where gold's at currently, right here. So we're sitting outside. So it looks like whenever we break 176.86, we're going to start pushing higher and higher and higher. And the real rip up starting movement is going to be about 179. We'll start moving back all the way to 183 and 190s. Okay, so let's go back to my normal drawing real quick. My daily time frame. So here's gold on the daily time frame, and here is GDX right here. So we're going to talk about GDX real quick on the daily time frame. So right now I'm waiting on GDX to break out higher as well. So so GDX has a little bit of a similar situation as gold as well, because we have a little bit of a resistance at 39.87 that I exactly pointed at, and it has been rejected from the past few days or all week pretty much. Whenever we get above the 39.87, we're going to start pushing higher all the way back to $42 and 45s. And right here at this 39.87 resistance, where pretty much our gap resistance is. So once you get above that, we're going to start pushing higher for GDX, and that will also be good for gold as well. And on gold futures, we also have the same setup as gold as well. So nothing much different really. But I'm really excited about this one. And it had on Twitter as well. So it's finally getting some attention. Now that it has broken out, it's getting on some people's scanners, or it's getting on some people's automated pattern finder, or whatever it's called. And that's a good sign because it's showing up on people's timelines. Gold getting more popular and getting more attention from bigger investors as well. So that's a good sign for gold right there. I'm really excited. So 9 more days of May left, and whenever that monthly candle closes, we're going to confirm the rip up for gold in the long term. So excited for that. If you're down in our Discord, I recommend joining it. We're gonna be on gold not 24/7, but like pretty much every day, monitoring it, and we're gonna stay on this. So I'm excited for this one. That's an update on gold right here, and don't miss out on it. Honestly, don't miss out, because this one's going to be pretty much the next Bitcoin, possibly, who knows? But gold's not an insane mover, but it can print some good money if you continue to hold it nonstop and find the top. So yeah, so this is the gold video update right here. I will keep updating gold every week until it starts getting dry and dry. But right now, it's just starting. It's just starting. So do not be late and get onto gold right now. There's no reason why you shouldn't be on gold. Okay? There's a lot of reasons. Okay? I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all the support in the past year, and pretty much has been about a year since I started my Discord group, and it has been the best time ever. So if you want to join us. You can cancel anytime you want. Honestly, it's an amazing group, amazing people in there, amazing traders, amazing helpful people. We're all caring to help people nonstop. Yeah, so I'll leave a link in the description below for you guys to join if you want. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.